I say banana? What's up? I'm Melissa Fortune of Created by Fortune, and welcome back to my channel. As promised, today I'm taking you through part 2 of my Brandon Blackwood haul. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, actually like it, hit the like button, and subscribe if you're into fun, fashion relatable content. That way you'll get notification and updates anytime I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's go through this haul. This is the mini Cara duffel bag. It's made out of vegan leather. The hardware is all silver. It also comes with a detachable and adjustable strap. When I checked on the website last night, I believe it was, the vegan option was no longer available, but they do have genuine leather options. This bag cost me about $150. The genuine leather handbags that are currently on the website in this style are around like $255. I love this bag. After it's kind of competing right now for the bamboo tote position that I showed you guys in the last video. Because this bag is like the perfect mini bag. It's not too blingy, it's simple, it goes with everything. And this bag is deceptively small. I fit so much shit in this bag just on the humble. Like anytime I'm out in the city, I always have my Mophie charging block with me. If I'm going to record content that day, I have my DJ Go camera that also fits in here. It has credit card slots in the back, so I just put my card, my ID, my cash in there. But then also my keys are in the bag. Because I do suffer from migraines, the only other thing I usually have in the bag is a little pill case with Excedrin just in case. But also the last time I rocked this bag, oh my God, my phone's going off. Had to turn off my phone notifications. Usually I don't get a lot of texts around this time, but my niece and nephew, the twins, are officially college students. Yo, I cannot fucking believe that these kids that I've watched grow up are in college now. My niece Selena is off in Massachusetts, here. My nephew Eli is still in New York, but since Selena's in Massachusetts, since Selena is in Massachusetts, I can't say that word today. Massachusetts. She's been sending us, my sister, her brother, my mom in a group text, just all these cool videos of her experiences. So it's been pretty dope. Okay, so back to this bag. So like I said before, I can fit so many things into this bag. Last time I actually wore it, I had all the stuff that I previously mentioned, but also too, I had my period. So I had tampons in the bag, pads. It's insane. This is definitely well worth it and is a steal. I recommend you get it, especially if you're looking for a mini bag. You want something that has room in it so that way you could carry the essentials and a little bit more. So up close of the bag, we got the logo, center front, little peg feet on the bottom, which I always love. You have the D-rings here so you could add the strap. And on the inside, we have a plain credit card slot on one side and then a zipper portion on the other side. This is my Mophie charging block that I usually carry. Fits in here. I'm trying to record more vlogs, so this is what I use. Sorry, my nails are gross, but whatever. This also fits in here as well. As you can see, I have these two items in here. Let's see if my phone fits, because usually when I carry this, my phone's just always in my hand anyway. But let's see. Shit. My phone also fits in here. And there's like room to put more stuff. This bag comes in clutch. It's perfect for just moving around in the city, wherever you are, a night out. Again, fits so many things in here. The only thing I will say about this bag that I almost forgot to mention is I don't know if it's because it's so fucking hot outside. Anytime I wear the strap, it rubs off on my clothing. Now, the first time it happened, I assumed it was because it's so hot, because that day in New York, that was like, when was it? I don't know. It was like sometime at the end of August. It was so fucking hot. I was like, this strap almost fucking melted. But I wore it again a few days ago. It was also hot, maybe not so hot, and it rubbed off a little bit on my t-shirt. So I need to do more wear tests to see exactly what's going on. Maybe it is the weather, maybe it's not the weather, not really sure. But I'll keep you guys posted on what's happening here. So the next bag is a mini Kendrick trunk, and it has this sick paisley, like bandana-esque print on it that I thought was pretty dope. I love printed leather, painted leather, anything like that. This bag too is also vegan leather. The hardware is all silver. I realized on the site too that they relaunched the trims on all these bags. So now you see the clasp is like this. The new clasps are actually a B for Brandon, and then like on the side here has like a different trim. Maybe I'll upload the picture and show you guys in the video so you can see it. Again, it's the evolution of this brand, and I love that they're doing new and innovative things to make the bag more special. Ah, I was wondering if it came with a strap. Clearly, I never wore this bag out, but I have worn it to shoot reels. The lining is like a faux suede. It's hard to see. I have an iPhone 12 and definitely cannot fit into this bag. So here we have the adjustable detachable strap, and it also has the print on it. It has the silver pegs on the bottom. Every time you get a bag, all the pegs at the bottom are covered so that they don't get scratched, and you can just boop, pop them right off. I love when my bags have these little peg feet so that way you put it down, the bottom of the bag doesn't get scratched up too much. I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video that to make sure to sign up for the Brandon Blackwood email list, these last 4 bags that I got during a crazy like private sale. I don't really know if it's private or just everyone on the email list gets first access to it. You need a password to enter the website, blah, blah, blah. The bags were already reduced in price, and I think, was there an extra 20% off, or maybe it was just 20% off, period. The retail price on this bag was $165, so maybe, let's say I got 20% off of that. This bag is currently available on the site, and it comes in about like 3 to 4 other colors. One was definitely a pink. I think one was a baby blue, and I don't recall what the other color is. But maybe I'll upload pictures here so you guys can see those colors. Just in case you haven't seen part 1 of my Brandon Blackwood haul, I'll link the video in this corner or this corner. I'm still not used to it. I'm not sure which corner it pops up at, but it will be in one of these corners up here. All the bags come in a duster, and they also come in a box. This next bag I absolutely love, and I have a feeling this is going to be my go-to bag for fall, especially with going to work. It's made of nylon fabric, which is very much giving fall. It comes with 2 straps. Right now I have them both attached so you guys can see them. We have this shorter strap here that you could plop. The shorter strap that you could plop over your shoulder. And then you have this longer strap so you could wear the bag crossbody. We have the printed logo in the center. All the hardware is silver. This bag doesn't have feet on the bottom, but it doesn't really need it since it's not leather. Inside, you have a credit card slot and a zip pocket. The inside is lined with like a black micro suede fabric. I haven't seen this bag on the website. I think it just completely sold out. Hopefully they'll be bringing it back because, again, I would love to have this bag in like black, some other colors, maybe some prints. Because it's nylon, it's not expensive, as expensive as some of the other bags. And I think this is a great, great staple for fall. The trim over at the zipper is leather. The zipper pull here is leather. The straps are leather. Last but not least is this Braulio, I believe it's pronounced, belt bag in powder blue. One of the reasons I got this bag is because I wanted something a little bit more casual that I could throw on, and this is perfect. It could be worn at the waist, or it could be worn like across your chest. Because you can wear it on your waist or across your body, you have all this adjustable strap to play with. All the hardware is silver. I've never even worn this bag. I literally just took it out the box a few days ago. That's why the plastic is still on. I love that you have this extra little pouch attached to it. I think that's super cute. You can also take this off and use it on another bag or whatever. This is vegan leather and costs about $185. They do have some other colors available on the website. It also comes in the nylon puffer fabric, similar to that larger duffel bag that I showed you, and that also comes in a few colors, which I think is really cool. I definitely plan on getting a puffer version of this because, again, I love this like easy little bag that I could just throw on with everything. I'm kind of over big doofy bags. That has been my life as a city girl for a long time, and I'm done with it. I'm gonna stick with these little bags. So before I get out of here, I want to do a fit check and show you guys what I'm looking like because I'm so digging this fit today. I had to shoot a reel for a company, Souk and Sepia. So this is the full look. as you can see here. I'm wearing, I feel like this is vintage at this point, but this headscarf that I got from, actually my sister gave it to me years ago. It was the Versace and H&M collection. This dress is from Souk and Sepia, as well as this belt. So funny, they sent me this belt and I did not think I was gonna like it, but I actually fucking love it. I'm such a bougie snob. I hate faux leather for the most part, but you know, as someone who's worked in the fashion industry, I've watched fake leather come a long way. So even with these Brandon Blackwood vegan options, the quality is so on point. My thing with fake leather is a lot of time it does not look good, especially in black. It always looks super cheap. But with brands like Brandon Blackwood, the quality is always on point. So when I saw this, I was like, I don't know. But what happened was I filmed a reel for them. They loved the reel, but they wanted me to reshoot this look with a belt, which I actually did style initially, but didn't like it. So the belt didn't end up in the reel. So they sent it to me, reshot it today, love it. Give you a close-up of this look. Look at this belt, asymmetrical, and it has this cute little pouch on the side. I think it's around $40, and they did give me a discount code for my followers. So I'll link that in the description and you guys could shop. This dress I think was about $50 or something like that. And then I'm wearing my Prada boots. I'm so ridiculous. So this concludes part 2 of my Brandon Blackwood haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, again, hit that like button. It helps me in so many ways. You guys don't even know. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you love fun, fashion, and relatable content. That way you'll get notifications anytime a new video goes live. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.